Do you want to know how you can access your public links in Gemini AI? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Login. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can access public links using Gemini AI. Go to the left hand side and click on the drop down menu and go to settings. You can see there's your public links. Let me show it to you again. Click on the drop down menu on the left hand, go to settings and click on your public links. Now you can share chats or an individual prompted response. Once you do, you can manage public links that you are created and see their details over here. So once you start chatting with Gemini and create links, it will make links and make helpful prompts and helpful conversations. So go to settings and your public links, and you can see the links which has been created. Also, you must know that you must give the prompt that please connect to the public link, and it will connect your conversation and you can relate to it later onwards. So this is how you access public links using Gemini AI. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye, take care and enjoy.